Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the inlet water valve on your dishwasher. If your inlet water valve fails, you may not get any water in your dishwasher, or it may continue to fill and cause some flooding. It's a really easy job to change. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to change this part, the first thing we'll need to do is to disconnect power to the dishwasher. So locate the electrical panel, turn off the appropriate breaker, or remove the appropriate fuses. Now as well, we're going to need to turn off the inlet water supply, so locate that valve and shut that off, and then we can remove the lower access panel to change the valve. Now we've laid this dishwasher on its back to give you a better view of the repair, but it's not necessary that you do that at home. You simply need to remove these clips on the bottom that secure that access panel, and normally just a quarter turn with a flat blade screwdriver or a coin. Now lift that clip out, do the same for both sides, and then lift that access panel off. Then next you would remove the inlet water supply from the valve, and as well disconnect the wire harness connector on the end of the valve. Now our next step will be to remove the wire harness from that valve. So just depress that little locking tab and slide the harness off of the valve. Just tuck that out of the way. Well, next we'll remove a 1/4-inch screw that secures the valve to the frame of the dishwasher. You just carefully slide that valve down and pull it out far enough that we can remove the clamp that holds the discharge hose. Using a pair of pliers, simply press that spring clamp, slide it back up onto the outlet hose, and then we'll twist that valve while holding the hose and pull it off. Maybe a little bit of water in that hose, so you'll need something there to collect that. You can then discard the old valve. Take the new valve, insert the outlet into the outlet hose, reposition the clamp, and then we'll slide those 2 grooves onto the metal frame, push it firmly up into place, and reinstall the retaining screw. Reinstall the wire harness connector on the end of the valve. And now we can reconnect the inlet supply to that valve. Once we have that tightened on there, you can turn your water supply on to make sure that there are no leaks in that area. Then as well, if you wish, you can reconnect the power and then start a dishwasher cycle just to make sure that there are no leaks at the outlet of that hose. Once we've done that, we can put the access panel back on. Just position that access panel and take the mounting clips, push them down into the opening, and just turn them 1/4 of a turn clockwise to lock them in place. Now that we've verified that we have no leaks, we can reconnect the power, put the access panel back on, and your repair is complete.